Assalamu alaikum dear parents, and welcome to session number 5 of this week. Today is July 10th 2020, and today is Friday. So I hope you're all in good health wherever you are, and your kids are good too and happy as well. So let us get started. Today we have three things in the agenda. Number one is a question from General Knowledge, that is, what is the name of your school? Kids have to learn it, memorize it, and they have to know it, and they should know the name of their school. Second thing that we have is from the Urdu textbook, which is a matching activity on the textbook. And the third thing that we have is from the maths workbook, and that is the tracing up number 5, and same is the homework. So let us get started. Okay, so we are going to start with the general knowledge question, that is, what is the name of your school? So it's very important for the kids to know the name of their school as they know their own names. As you know, we've done the question, what is your name, with the kids, and the kids know their name and they know how to tell other people what their name is. So same is with the school name, they have to know their school name and they must be able to tell others what is the name of their school. So how we are going to do it, you can simply show them from the workbook as it's written here. So you are going to ask them, you go to a school, just like we have a name, our school also has a name, and the other school, they also have, for the other schools they have their own names, so that we can tell the difference. For example, आप बच्चों से ये कह सकते हैं कि अगर आपके जो दो बच्चे हैं, आप उनको कहेंगे अगर उन दोनों का एक ही कोई नाम होता तो वो उनको कैसे बुलाते, एक को बुलाते तो दूसरा भी आ जाता. इसलिए स्कूल का भी अपना अपना नाम होता है, तो हम उनको बताएंगे कि उनके स्कूल का क्या नाम है. So you're gonna ask them, what is the name of your school, and you will tell them that their school's name is Nurture International School. Their school's name is Nurture International School. Nurture International School. And initially just make them learn just the name, Nurture International School. You ask them what is the name of your school, and the reply or answer they have to give you is Nurture International School. And when they've learned the name of the school, they must give the complete answer in a full sentence, which is, my school's name is Nurture International School. What is your school name? For a few weeks you're going to practice Nurture International School. So, and when they've learned it, you will tell them that now they have to give the complete answer, and that is, my school's name is Nurture International School. So that is with the question of the school, and that's a great school because they study in this school, this is their school, and I hope to see them inside the school very soon, inshallah. So that's it with the general knowledge question. Now it's time for Urdu. अच्छा जी, तो आज हमारा उर्दू का टेक्स्ट बुक के ऊपर काम है, जो कि है सफ़ा नंबर 17 के ऊपर. तो चले देखते हैं मैचिंग एक्टिविटी. ओके, सबसे पहले हम तारीख लिखेंगे, जो कि है 10 जुलाई 2020, और यहाँ हम लिखेंगे जमात का काम. चले जी, हर्फ को मुतल्लिका तस्वीर से मिलाएं. तो हर्फ को तस्वीर से मिलाने से पहले आप अपने बच्चों से पूछेंगे ये कौन कौन से हरूफ हैं, और इन तस्वीरों के नाम पूछेंगे. ये कौन सा हर्फ है? ये है सेसा, ये है जींजा, ये है टेटा. हमें कैसे पता है? क्योंकि इसके पास एक टोपी है. और ये क्या है? ये है तेता. इसके बाद वो आपको बताएंगे, आप उनसे पूछेंगे क्या है. और बच्चे अक्सर इंग्लिश में नाम बताते हैं, तो आप इस बात का ध्यान रखें कि उनको इंग्लिश उर्दू दोनों में पता हो. आप उनको ये बताएं कि उर्दू में इसे क्या कहते हैं. इसे कहते हैं तरबूज. ये है टोपी, समर, और ये क्या है? ये है जहाज़. और फिर आप बच्चों से जब मैचिंग एक्टिविटी करवाएंगे तो आप उनसे कहेंगे कि वो बताएं तरबूज किससे होता है. सेसा तरबूज, जींजा तरबूज, टेटा तरबूज, या तेता तरबूज. जब आपको सही जवाब देंगे तो आप उनसे कहेंगे कि वो तरबूज को ते से मिलाएं. उसके बाद अपने बच्चों से पूछेंगे ये क्या है, ये है टोपी। टोपी किससे होती है, सेसा टोपी, जीमजा टोपी, टेटा टोपी या तेता टोपी। तो टोपी किससे होती है, जिसके पास खुद एक टोपी है, टेटा टोपी। ये सेसा मैच हुआ है, लेकिन आप उनसे इसी तरह पूछ सकते हैं कि सेसा समर, जीमजा समर, टेटा समर या तेता समर। तो सेसा समर। और जहाज़ किससे होता है, जहाज़ होता है जीम से। और जीम कहाँ लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे, ये रहा, वेरी गुड। तो हम इसको इससे मैच कर देंगे, तो ये हो जाएगा उनका काम। आप जब भी उनको ये बुक खुलवाते हैं तो आप हमेशा इन हरूफ को यहाँ से और इन हरूफ को इधर साथ से आप उनको इनकी प्रैक्टिस करवाया करें, इनकी वोकैबुलरी भी करवाते रहा करें। तो ये था हमारा आज का उर्दू का क्लास वर्क। अब हम देखेंगे मैथ्स का क्लास वर्क। Alright, so we have our maths homework on page number 37. Let us see. Let's write down classwork and date is July 10, 2020, and we are going to trace the number 5. Let's count the strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yummy strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very nice. So these fives are smaller than these. So let's trace these. We're gonna start here, making a standing line, then come down, making a sleeping line, then come down, making a standing line, and then go all the way around until the end. So let me zoom in a bit because it's pretty small. Alright, so start from here, making a sleeping line, a standing line, and then go all the way around till here. Please, please, please make sure that your kids do the tracing work slowly. If they're not doing it slowly, they surely make mistakes, so do it slowly. Start from here, make a sleeping line, then go down, making a standing line, then go all the way around until the end. So that's it. This is how they are going to trace the number, and then they are going to color these strawberries later on. I will quickly color one and show you how they are going to do it. Alright, so I'm done coloring the strawberries. This is how they are going to color it, nicely and slowly. So that's it for today's classwork, and now I will tell you about the homework. Alright, so we have homeworks on maths workbook, page number 38. We have to trace the number 5, same as classwork that we've done today. Write down the date and write homework here. So let us do it again. I'm going to trace just 2 5s for you, just again, and nice and slowly. So that's it. And then they will color the strawberries at the end. They can do this over the weekend, and it's going to be Saturday tomorrow. I just want you to revise all the question from general knowledge, from Islamiyat, from science, and I want you to revise the concepts and the letters over the weekend. That would be great. Take care of yourself. Have a lovely weekend ahead of you. Allah Hafiz.